Okay, now what if we want to store multiple values inside one box, inside a container? Instead of saving one value only inside this variable, we want to create a box, a variable that stores multiple values. Here it comes, the concept of lists. Look how easy it is. I will say my fruits. So I am defining a list. Remember, it's also a variable, but holds multiple values. Open a square bracket, then a double quote. I will say apple. This is my first value, then comma. I will say banana, and the third value is strawberry. So in this way, I am creating a list. Let me show you now some magic. Let's say you want to print on the screen. So now we want to run the application. Look at this. I will say print. I want to print the values of this list. My fruits. How to run the application? Simply just move your mouse to the right, then go up. You see this arrow here? Click on Run Python file, and now the terminal will open, and you can see now it wrote on the screen. It printed the list. It's that simple. Let me teach you the secret. If you want to run the application manually through the terminal, simply say Python and the name of the script, which is dc.py, enter, and oops, it says can't open the file. Do you know why? Because I am in the wrong directory. I need to move to this directory here before I run my code. So say cd, change directory, copy the path this way, and we are now inside our directory. Again, say Python dc.py, and you can see now this is the output of our script. So this is how you can run your scripts from the command line. Forget about this for now. Let's go back to our code. So this is how you can print the values or the list itself when you execute the application. Let me show you this simple trick. What if you want to add a value to this list? Not manually, not like this. We want to add it from our code. We can simply say my fruits, then dot append. So we are adding a value, and let's say mango. Let's now try to print the list again, run, and you can see now the list has 4 values with mango added. So this is how you can add a value. You can use the append method to add values to your list. One last thing in lists, you can get the length of the list simply by using this method, len, and add brackets. So let's print the length of the list. Again, print, and you can see now it says 4. So we have 4 values inside the list. Let's print again this way, run the code. So now we have this list with 3 values and this list with 4 values. It's that simple. So to sum up, what we learned in this lecture is how to create a list, which is simply a variable that contains multiple values. Then we learned how to print the list and how to check its length and how to append a value to this list. I hope everything is simple and clear. Don't forget, if you have any questions, I will be here to help you anytime.